On this episode of The Bachelorette, we have two eligible bachelors competing for the heart of Alana Sayer. First, we have Preston Rex, a fun-loving older brother by day and an avid Clash Royale player by night. Preston aspired to be an NFL player but refused to be drafted after devoting himself to serving the Mormon Church. Next is Roland Manticon, a middle-aged bachelor who enjoys long walks on the beach accompanied by his mother Tanya. Aspiring to have the body of Logan Paul, Roland is a gym enthusiast. He earns his living through multi-level marketing of male hair growth products. Now let's meet our bachelorette. So tell me, Alana, what is your ideal man?
Someone strong, rich, and knows the quotient formula.
I see. We all know you're not shallow.
No.
So why is the quotient rule so dear to your heart?
Well, I was in high school, and I failed to recite it correctly, and I got severely bullied after. It was the downfall of my life, and I've been struggling ever since. Remember, kids, high D low minus low D high all over the denominator squared.
Wow, what a story. Thank you for opening up about such a traumatic event. You are an inspiration to all our viewers.
Thank you.
Our bachelors will now take part in a competition. Roland won by a landslide and destroyed Preston. Looks like he won the first one-on-one date with Alana. Preston seems to be struggling. I should probably help him.
Can't believe I got it wrong. Now there's no way I can get the rose.
With this equation, you have to use the formula low D high minus high D low all over the denominator squared. So you start with the low times the D of the high minus D of the low times the regular of the numerator all over the denominator squared. And then you multiply these, getting 2x cosine x plus sine x squared sine x all over cosine squared x. And that's your answer.
So, tell me about yourself.
Well, I do photography and stuff. You know,
That's cool. Do you know
I'm into hair care products.
Do you know about the quotient rule?
Yeah. I won the math competition.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
Obviously, I know the quotient rule.
Can you tell me about it?
Yeah. Well, primarily it's used to take the derivative of a function divided by another function.
That's sick. It's my favorite rule, you know.
Dude, no way. It's my favorite rule too.
Go!
So we're at the football field now. It's my home, my sanctuary. Right down there, I scored an 80-yard touchdown on those away bleachers. I had my first kiss. So I heard you're into the quotient rule.
Yup.
You know what's crazy is that if you take any number or any polynomial and you write it as a fraction and use the quotient rule to solve for the derivative, it's the same as using any other method.
That's crazy, bro.
So, what I meant by that was, if you look at this equation the first way, you would find the derivative through the quotient rule, like so. But you can actually find it using other rules as well. For example, the product rule. If you look at both answers, they are the same. So it proves that the quotient rule works because you can check it with the others.